Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we're going to show you how to set up the Aigital Wi-Fi Extender to boost your Wi-Fi coverage. Whether you're struggling with Wi-Fi dead zones or just want to improve your network signal, this simple guide will help you get your extender up and running in no time. Let's get started. First, let's unbox your Aigital Wi-Fi Extender. Inside the box, you should find the Wi-Fi extender itself, a quick start guide, and possibly an Ethernet cable. Now, before we proceed, ensure you have a working Wi-Fi network and that your extender is within range of your router for setup. Next, plug your Aigital Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet. You'll want to choose a location that's about halfway between your router and the area with poor Wi-Fi signal. Make sure the extender's power light turns on and becomes stable. Next, it's time to connect your device to the Wi-Fi extender. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone, tablet, or computer, and scan for available networks. You should see a new network name starting with Aigital. Select this network to establish a connection and proceed with the setup. Once connected, open your browser and type in the address that's provided in the user manual, usually something like http://192.168.10.1 or http://myrepeater.net. This will bring up the setup page for the Aigital Wi-Fi extender. On the setup page, log in using the default username and password provided in the manual. You'll then be asked to select the Wi-Fi network you want to extend. Choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list, enter your network's password, and click Connect. After a few moments, the extender will connect to your network and extend your Wi-Fi signal. Once the connection is successful, you can now disconnect from the Aigital setup network and reconnect your device to your extended Wi-Fi network, which should have the same name as your home network, but with _ext added to it. Once your Aigital Wi-Fi extender is fully set up, you can adjust its position if necessary. For optimal performance, place it midway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Make sure the extender is close enough to the router to maintain a strong and stable signal.